So before this video gets started, I wanted to tell you all about a new company called Fetti, which helps you get access to higher paying jobs. And within minutes, you can fill out the link below to sign up for Fetti, and they're gonna start sending you jobs, and they're looking for gig workers who have experience so you can get higher paying jobs, higher earnings, and potentially even an easy job that pays you a ton of money. So stop applying for tons of jobs and use Fetti with our link below so you can get jobs sent to you automatically. And who knows, maybe you could actually land the job of your dreams and make way more money than you ever dreamed of. So get started with Fetti completely for free, and within minutes, you'll get jobs sent right to you. This is a special edition of the show. Izzy, let's do a drum roll, please. This is Izzy and Dylan talk about why Uber drivers get deactivated. So, Izzy, what is the main reason that Uber and Lyft drivers get deactivated?
Is it false reports?
False reports. Ding, ding, ding. Good job. Yeah. What is your shirt like I can't even say that word on here, but
Odd future. Like
oh, I thought it was like a special social media app. That we can't, the forbidden name.
No.
Okay. But yeah, false reports. A lot of drivers get reported from their passengers saying, oh, my driver was driving drunk at 7 a.m. And, which by the way, some people actually do. So please don't do that.
Yeah, one just hit me 2 days ago.
I was literally just thinking about that. Hit and run, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, tell your story real quick.
Yeah, guys, I was driving home, 6 in the morning. I was like, oh, perfect. There's no traffic at 6 in the morning. This is the perfect time for me to go home. Then literally this car comes up behind me, like on the next lane. And right when it's beside me, it literally just hits me and then speeds off, and it's like swerving and stuff.
Oh my gosh.
When they were drunk, it's not confirmed, but it really looked like it. And then yeah, and they were
asleep
just
or
gone.
something. So it was like, you think they knew they hit you, right?
No, yeah, they knew. Like I was literally like, they obviously felt it, because right when they hit me, like you could hear it was loud, and they literally like jerked off the other way and sped off. I was honking at them, chasing them, and then I was like, well, I'm speeding now, so I'm not gonna keep chasing them.
Yeah. Were they speeding?
Yeah.
Oh my God.
They're going like 100.
It was on the freeway?
Yeah.
That's really dangerous. Crashing on the freeway is like really dangerous.
Yeah.
So, you didn't get a photo of their license plate?
I tried to, but they were speeding off, and like when I took the picture, when I was taking pictures, it had like the inside of my car in focus, so everything outside through the window was out of focus, so it was like blurry.
And again, big shout out to Fetti, the new company that is going to help you get higher paying jobs. So use the link below. It only takes 2 minutes. You just fill out a couple of questions. So use our link below for Fetti, and they're going to help you get a better job. Thanks for watching, guys.